All right, guys, to explain it better, I get here the API. So what are you going to do? Our request is going to come in here. The get ATM is going to refer to the target, which is simple REST bank. Okay. There's going to have, they didn't add any base path, whatever here. So when I'm going to call here, my evil is going to forward this guy. Okay. And what's basically is this API here? If I go echo REST host, exactly that. So once I call this guy, what it brings to me? Latitude, longitude. Done. Simple as that. So, and what I didn't show here, that's our base path. We're certainly going to have to add something. So this base path go to the root for the other. And after all, we're going to add some stuff here. So from this response here, what it does, the struct long address gets root latitude and longitude. We can even a name. After I'm going to add the name here, just for making it clear stuff. I can even add a variable here. And the get address. So in this case, I create latitude and longitude. Then the get address uses my latitude and longitude created here, which is this guy and this guy. And for the property, I create geocoding.api key and calls passes to the DS address. This guy here, what it does, this shared flow does all this stuff, what's lookup address. So geocode and latitude, geocode latitude API key, whatever, go. I think now it's clear. Then after that, geocode, create those two variables and call this guy, which is exactly what I did here. This. There you go, you see, key and Latin long. And put into a response. After that, address and store address. So after this, struct address. So I get format address and put address. Here is our serve from where I get it. And this variable prefix is geocoded, geocoding.address. So here I store geocoding source. Scope access source, geocoding.address, and this is the cache key. And what it does late after all, I get JS address. So from the response of the shared flow goes to JS address. JS address, that's the content, geocoding.address. And that's it. Simple. Not that simple.